everyone, welcome to my channel. All right, let's get straight to the point. Who would like to win a CRICUT Maker 3? So this awesome little cutting machine, you could start a small home business with it, where if you grow, you could actually make some really good money. It's kind of like what I did when I got my first CRICUT. Or you could just use it for fun and impress your family and friends with your crafts. Like for example, this 3D birthday cake topper that I will actually be making this video tutorial about. Anyways, I have some really exciting news. I have partnered up with Creative Fabrica to give you guys a free CRICUT Maker 3. This giveaway is worldwide and it will end on May 5th, 2022. I will be announcing the winner here in a new tutorial. So please read the description below on how to enter this giveaway. It's a few steps. It's really easy, really fast. Seriously, you guys do not want to miss out on this giveaway. I mean, it's a free CRICUT Maker. Let's begin. I'm on Creative Fabrica for all the fonts and all the images that I have used. I have linked in the description below. Okay, so I'm gonna start a new project, and the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna insert text, and I'm gonna write 25. I'm gonna go under fonts, system fonts, and this is the 25 that I will be using. And when you click on the font, right here, you could scroll down before you even download it, and you could type your text and preview what it will look like. And this particular font, it has different types. It has the outline, bold, really thin, really fine. So that's why I picked this font, but it's kind of cool. And then you just download all the fonts that you would like to use. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna insert this one and then the other one. And for the name, I use this script font called B-Side, also from Creative Fabrica. I do like to type my word and then separate it by letters under the Advanced tab, and then I do move them around and adjust them to my liking. The offset is applied, it will turn black color, so select it right here on the left and then change the color so you know which layer is which. I suggest to always change the layer colors to the color of the paper you're gonna cut it out. So like I changed the 2.5, the first top layer, to gold because that's what I did. I used gold. And then each offset, I changed it as well. And once the first offset is done, you offset that one. And then I just raise it by a point. So the first one is 0.04, the next one is 0.05, then 0.06, and so on. And you offset each layer, not the original 2.5. For my last layer, the bottom one, the glitter one, I just duplicated the last offset and I typed in 2 and 5 and I just placed it on top of the last duplicated layer and I wove them together, so now it's a solid. And as you can see, when I place it in the back, this is what it looks like. and do the same thing with the word Charlotte. And after the Charlotte is done, the first top layer, then you weld it all together, just the top gold layer. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. You guys don't forget to enter the giveaway for a chance to win a free CRICUT Maker 3. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do, and like this video, give it a thumbs up. Alright. Oh, also check out my small handmade shop, Zhannastar.com. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Bye!